Hi, I'm going to teach you how to get onto Seesaw, which is a way that you can turn in work for your student. And it's also a way that you can access online work from your teacher through your child's Launchpad on their school-issued laptop. When you open your child's laptop, it should open up to Launchpad and just sign in with their regular credentials. Just something to look forward to for kindergarten. We're going to get some QR code name tags so that your student can start scanning their own self onto their Launchpad instead of you having to do it for them. So that's something to look forward to in the near future. But go ahead and sign in. And when you get to Launchpad, you'll see their apps that either the district or their teacher has put on here. You're going to go down to their book bag, their backpack, and this is where their teacher can place apps that you'll use frequently. Push their backpack, and in their backpack should be your Zoom link. If you've been getting in the old-fashioned way, it should be right here, but also the seesaw link. Click on the seesaw link, and you'll be in your child's account. I'm in my account now, but you'll be in your child's account. So let me show you how to send work to your teacher. You're going to add, and then you're going to post student work. There's lots of ways you could post student work, but we're going to start with a photo. You could draw a picture, you could take a video, you can upload a photo, send a note, or send a link. I wouldn't send any notes right now. Keep sending notes the way you've been sending to your teacher, since we're still getting used to Seesaw. We're going to click photo. Hello. And then you take your child's work, where you teach them how to take their work, and you line it up in the computer the way that you want it to look and make sure that it's visible, and you push the camera to take a picture. Then after you take your picture and you like it, you go ahead and hit the check mark and go ahead and click on your name. I'm going to do a sample student and click the check mark. And then it should be in your child's virtual journal. Here's the one I did earlier. And it will be just like a little notebook of the things that you have turned in. Now, if you want to get to the activities that your teacher has put into her seesaw, you go to activities, and this is where you can see all the things that the teacher has for you that week. Some sorting things, since we've been going over sorting and rhyming, that you could complete. And the teacher can give you real-time feedback on those things, which I know is what you guys have been waiting for. So that's how you get into Seesaw from Launchpad. And there's no additional password. It's just your Launchpad password. Thanks and happy learning.